Deep within Igbo heart, the revealed Ofor tree stood majestic, its sprawling branches stretched towards the heaven like nature's own sacred conduit. The tree's fruit, though edible, held sacred beyond the physical realm, while its wood pulsed with spiritual potency. Harvesting a branch demands ritual reverence. Before picking, offerings were made, a token to the earth, acknowledging the tree's sanctity and the delicate balance between nature and the divine. The day of the Ofor activations arrived with stolen anticipation. A young, untouched chicken, alligator pepper, kola oji, and a matured cock fowl were prepared for the sacred rites. The elders, hands stretched with aged and trembling with a mix of relevance and authority, grasped the Ofor branch. With words imbued with ancestral wisdom, the elders invoke the tree power. Let the Ofor be our guide right, symbolizing truth, justice, and harmony. May it anchor our decisions in wisdom and our actions in balance, bringing peace to our community, our home, our family, and honoring the ancestors who have walked before us. Ise. As ritual unfold, the atmosphere thickened, the spirit energy. The elder called upon the ancestors, the living, the dead, and the yet to unborn, weaving a sacred bond between the worlds. The Ofor branch, now a vase of divine will, strewed with otherworld power, it became a bridge between the tangible and the mystical, a tool for community, home, families, guidance. With the Ofor activated, the community, the family gathered, seeking its counsels. Disputes were settled, benefits its shared, and crucial decisions were weighed against its wisdom. The Ofor legacy would be etched into the annals of time, a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the relevance for the divine that defined Igbo culture. The story would echo through generations, a reminder of the sacred balance that sustains both earth and the spirit. Let every Igbo understand that Ofor is a symbol of authority, truth, and justice. Obodo bụ obodo Igbo na-enwe obi ebe Ofor na-adị, mana obodo arụrụ ala na mpụ na aghụghọ na-enwe họl ebe a na-egwu wayo, ebe a na-arị onwe mmadụ elu ikpe arụrụ ala. If you truly want to have justice and power, stand with the staff of Ofor in Obi to speak justice and truth. Mana ụmụnna arụrụ ala na ndị mpụ na-arụ hall ebe ha na-eme alụ. Ndewo ndị Igbo ibe m.
This is Emak Entertainment. Join us now. We will train you on content creating. This is Emak Entertainment. Film masters classes, filmmaking, script writing, event coverages, video and photography, housewarming party, birthday, wedding, and traditional marriage coverage. Join us. We will teach how to use AI to create faceless videos. Call 0806 3956 984. Write us on ematchmovies@gmail.com. Ematch Movies on Facebook page, Ikena Entertainment and Ghetto Made. Watch our videos on Ematch TV on YouTube. Ematch Entertainment. Join us now